everyone. We're going to go through lesson 2, some of your mind tap exercises in there, which is assigning variables in Python. If you could go click lesson 2 under graded items, you would see this exercise. So please open that, give a couple of seconds, click start assignment, and here we are. So again, these are the two buttons that you will always use. First thing is to understand the instructions given. So for this one, we're going to navigate how to declare variables in Python. You would see the title at the top, NewAge.py. I provided for the solutions, so please check that. For the most part, I do provide for the solutions so that you can really check what's going on with your solution. Now for this lab, you assign variables in Python program, which the file is saved as newage.py. So this calculates your age in the year 2050. Okay, so first things first is asking you to declare for a variable named my current age with your current age in years. Okay, so I have it in here on line 5. You could make this one as 29 or 30. Assign an integer variable named current year with the value of the current year. Use 4 digits for the year. So let's say I have 2016. We could make this one as 2019 and execute the program and ensure the output is correct. So I'm going to go on the left, okay, in case I already run checks a while ago, but I'm going to click that because I changed this, and give a couple of seconds. Sometimes it's not as like, hey, 100% right away. You should be able to kind of see in here. So I was able to have that variable as a correct, declaration on the side. Set my age in here to a number. So I put 29 in here. Let's say I would put 35. Set the year as well. So it's going to show you expected, variable declaration. So far this is working good for me. Now I could make it 2016. Okay, so this line 5 and 6 would be declaration. Anything that you see when it comes to Python, the number sign at the top, they are called comments. So I think we've discussed that before. If it's C++, you would see a slash, which is called comments or line comments. It's part of the documentation. You don't have to actually change anything in that portion because the mind tap gives you half of the work done. So all you need to do is to follow what is being asked. Now notice in here, this allows me, let me just run this so you could see on the right side. My current age is 35, so it took 35 here, and I will be 69 in 2050. How did that happen? Take a look at line 8 on my screen, my current age. So you substitute 35 here, you're going to add that with this statement. So 2050 would be the year, because we're going to calculate your age in the year 2050. Subtract the current year, which we declared 2016 in here. So this is an initialized value on that variable, and I'm going to subtract that from 2050. So whatever the answer in here will be added to the current age, or my current age variable. Okay, you see, it's very important to have that grouping, because if I did not actually put a parentheses for that, that means I'm actually adding my current age to 2050, and then I'm going to just subtract the current year, which you might have a different answer. So grouping or hierarchy of operations, parentheses would be the highest, and it's going to be stored into my NewAge variable. Line 9 and 10 is going to display or output the result. So for this one, you would see This is color coded. The green part is a string literal, an actual string. I put like an extra space in here so that whatever the output on this portion, you would have like a space. Okay. Make sure to run checks. Take a look if there's something that is incomplete. And then run it on your terminal. If you're done and you got 100, click submit, and there should be a confirmation button for you to see whether it was submitted or not. Now, if your program is not working, take a look at this area. You see, when you click one area, sometimes it's just a matter of, you know, checking symbols in here. It's red if there should be certain symbols that needs to be added or expecting an output for your program. Okay, that's the end of this video. I'll see you on other MindTap exercises demonstration.